Welcome to Collective Intelligence plus AI, designing interfaces for human coordination. Our goal is to reduce noise, increase context, and achieve better coordination. We extend our gratitude to our sponsors, the MetaLayer Initiative, Human Energy, the Internet Society San Francisco Bay Area Chapter, and ISOC Nevada. Today's agenda covers Teilhard de Chardin and the noosphere, the Teilhard test, the inside-the-machine experience, and corporate versus human noosphere. Human Energy is a catalytic hub for evolving collective consciousness, inspired by Pierre Teilhard de Chardin's work. We envision a future where humanity consciously evolves in harmony with technology and the planet. Pierre Teilhard de Chardin coined the noosphere as the evolving planetary layer of collective intelligence. This concept, along with the law of complexity consciousness, frames our understanding of collective consciousness. The Teilhard test asks if our systems foster a mature, coordinated, and responsible species. Key properties include reflexivity, convergence without coercion, and the preservation of differentiation. Consider the planetary escape room metaphor, where systems shape what we see and believe. Most of this is invisible. Today, we make it visible. Then we redesign part of it together. You notice the clock, systems hardening, decisions accelerating, options narrowing. The system is moving down. We are moving through levels. Each level below is harder to exit. Level 1, fragmentation. People stop seeing the same world. Level 2, reality collapse. Trust has nowhere to land. AI doesn't create this. It accelerates it. Level 3, narrative control. Visibility replaces legitimacy. Level 4, institutional degradation. Systems defend instead of learn. Below us, deeper lock-in, shrinking exit options. Autocracy. The window is still open, but narrowing. Escape is coordination. We already have a noosphere. It is just shaped by platforms. The noosphere represents thinking, while the digital noosphere is today's web. Below these are the technosphere, tools and systems, the biosphere, life and ecosystems, and the geosphere, Earth's foundation. There are many possible use cases. Today, we explore several learning use cases where knowledge fails to scale or is lost. We will focus on designing interfaces to address these challenges in collective intelligence. In The Community with No Memory, debates recur, tiring veterans and frustrating newcomers. Communities burn energy rehashing instead of deepening understanding. In The Private Insight That Never Scales, an individual gains a breakthrough but lacks a low-friction way to share it. Learning breakthroughs remain private instead of compounded. In The Silent Expert, an expert spots a flaw but has no place to add context for future readers. Expert insight dies instead of accumulating to help others learn. The classroom reset means students repeat arguments and waste time rediscovering conclusions. Collective learning is wiped clean by institutional boundaries and time. The workplace amnesia occurs when new employees revisit past product debates. Organizations remember outcomes, not the crucial reasoning behind past decisions. In The Overconfident Summary, AI flattens complex topics, leading the user to believe they understand when they do not. Authority substitutes for sense-making, and learning becomes passive. The next internet isn't just smarter, it's more human. A human-centered noosphere needs bounded AI, enduring digital artifacts, a universal context graph, and decentralized overlays that give people agency, memory, and trust above the web page. MetaLayer primitives are the building blocks for interfaces that capture and contextualize knowledge. They include smart tags, persistent anchors, and cross-references. Persistent anchors provide stable, verifiable links to specific text or objects, acting as enduring digital artifacts and solving the problem of link rot. Cross-references are bidirectional links that connect related content, fostering accountability and enabling knowledge. What people actually experience are the visible layers of the metaweb: sidebars, smart tags, contextual menus, alerts, signals, and the living presence of both people and AI agents working together in shared digital space. Design above the page means asking better questions. Where is meaning unclear? Where is something disconnected? What context needs to become visible? And how can AI help without taking over? The goal is the minimum layer of intelligence, context, and coordination needed to help people understand, connect, and act. The metaweb adds new layers above the web we already use. Content becomes the foundation, then bounded AI, enduring digital artifacts, a universal context graph, and decentralized overlays. Together, these layers transform the web from isolated pages into a shared, intelligent coordination space for people and AI. This is human coordination in the noosphere. On September 16, 2024, Vint Cerf challenged us to come up with the desirable properties of a meta layer. We invite you to weigh in at govhub.live. To help people build this future together, we're launching an online meta layer course, a 3-week community experience with the author beginning in June, a digital NFT edition, collaborative knowledge contribution, and an invitation to help shape version 2 of the book. The meta layer is not something to watch from the sidelines. It's something people can help build right now. Scan the QR to join the Discord, connect with the community, and take part in shaping the next layer of the internet. Thanks again to our sponsors, the Internet Society San Francisco Bay Area Chapter, Human Energy, the Meta Layer Initiative, and ISOC Nevada, and the Human Flourishing Foundation at Frontier Tower in San Francisco, where we held the workshop.